The early morning sun filters through the windows of the laboratory, casting a warm glow over the array of scientific tools neatly arranged on a countertop. The camera zooms in on a set of glassware, with a Sahli's hemoglobinometer at the center. A soft background melody sets the calm, yet focused atmosphere. A voice, clear and authoritative, begins to speak as subtitles appear on the screen. Welcome, medical students. Today we will be performing the hemoglobin estimation using Sahli's method. This is a vital process for understanding patient health. The camera pans over the necessary equipment: the hemoglobinometer, a Sahli's pipette, hydrochloric acid N/10HCl, distilled water, and the blood sample. Each item is briefly illuminated with a soft spotlight as the narrator explains its purpose. Ensure all equipment is sterilized and ready for use, the narrator advises. The scene transitions to a character named Dr. Emily, a meticulous and experienced medical instructor. She wears a white lab coat and speaks directly to the camera as she collects a blood sample using a prick on a dummy model finger. This is a crucial step, Emily says. A precise collection ensures accurate results. Dr. Emily guides viewers through the testing process. She draws blood into the Sahli's pipette and carefully transfers it into the graduated tube containing hydrochloric acid, watching as it forms the first brown solution. The camera focuses on her hands as she mixes gently, showing the gradual color change in the tube. Next, Emily continues. We add distilled water drop by drop until the color matches the standard. The camera zooms in on the color standard as Emily gently adds distilled water, explaining the importance of matching the tones precisely. This determines the hemoglobin concentration, she says. Once the test is complete, Dr. Emily holds the graduated tube up to the light. Remember, your result depends on matching the colors exactly. She marks the final level, reading the hemoglobin concentration from the scale with a look of satisfaction. The camera shifts to Emily addressing the viewers once more, concluding her demonstration. Today we've learned how to determine hemoglobin concentration using Sahli's method. Practice will make you experts at this invaluable skill. The music swells slightly as the camera fades out, displaying the final message. Keep learning, keep growing.